my dear students. How are you? I hope all are you good. Today let me start GK Unit 1 Nature Chapter 1 Plants. State T for true and F for false against the following statements. Question number 1. Plants give us medicines. True. Jute is grown abundantly in China. True. Evergreen plants never shed all their leaves. False. The tendrils help in climbing. True. Mushroom reproduces by roots. True. Plants absorb nitrogen in the form of nitrates. True. Number 7. Tea is grown on hill slopes. True. The cabbage stores food in its root. True. Number 9. Plants do not produce their own food. It is false. Number 10. Trunk of banana plant are leaf stalks. True. Kharif crops are sown in summer. True. And the last one, Venus flytrap is not a kind of a plant. It is false. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 2. Amazing animals. There are many amazing animals. Some of them are described here. Read about them and write their names. Okay, let me start. Number 1. This sea animal does not have a skeleton. It can squeeze through a very small hole. Octopus. This is a fish which looks like a rock. It is one of the most poisonous fish in the world. Stonefish. Number 3, this aquatic animal produces very strong jolts of electricity to stun its prey. Electric fish. Number 4, it is the most efficient scavenger. Its digestive system can break down even bones and horns. ये है spotted hyena. Number 5, this is a poisonous bird. Its feathers and skin contain a very powerful poison. ये है hooded pitoy. This mammal does not sleep at all and eats 80-90% of its own body weight in food. Number 7. This bird remains in the air for most of the times. After leaving the nest, it remains in air for 3 to 10 years. It lands only to breed. तो ये है sooty term. Number 8. It is the only female animal that can temporarily change its sex. It is a cat. Like carnivore and native of Madagascar, Africa. Female fossa. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 3. Just like humans, plants also suffer from diseases caused by microbes. Match these plants with the diseases they suffer. Number 1, brinjal root knot. Option C. Potato early blight. Option B. Number 3, wheat black smut. D. 4, cotton. Option F, fusarium wheat. Grapes, fruit rot. Option E. And the last one, asparagus rust. Option A. Okay? So it's done. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 4. Dear students, this is chapter number 4, leaves we eat. Unscramble these letters and write the correct names using the clicks. Number 1, dash is a cultivated plant with edible leaves that are used in salads. ये है letuc. LETTUCE. Dash is a leaf of an Asian evergreen climbing plant whose seed is also known as areca nut. Beetle. Dash is an aromatic plant native to tropical Asia. Its leaves are used as a culinary herb. Number 3 is basil. Number 4, dash is an aromatic plant used as a culinary herb. Mint. Number 5, dash is an edible Asian plant with large dark green leaves. It is widely eaten as a vegetable. Spinach. Number 6, dash is a shrub or small tree native to Bharat and Sri Lanka. Its leaves are widely used in Indian cooking. Curry leaves. Number 7, dash is a white-flowered herbaceous plant of the pea family with aromatic seeds that are used for flavoring food. Fenugreek. Number 8, dash is a plant with white flowers and aromatic leaves. It is used as a culinary herb for garnishing food. Parsley. Okay? It's done. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 5. Given below are pictures of some medicinal plants identified and write their names. Number 1. Drug for heart disease is obtained from this plant. ये है foxgloves. Number 2, medicine for controlling diabetes is obtained from this plant. ये है जामुन. Medicine for controlling diabetes is obtained from this plant. Jamun. ISO can be cured by this plant. Babool. Number 4, the fruits of this plant are used in treatment of scurvy. Amla. Number 5, stem of this plant is used for sore throat. Mulethi. Number 6. Seeds of this plant are used for treatment of baldness. Crab's eye. Seven. Leaves of this plant are used in the treatment of jaundice. Bharat Soran. Depression can be cured by this plant. St. John's wort. Number 9. Quinine, a drug to cure malaria, is obtained from this tree, Cinchona. Cinchona. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 6. Read the clues and write the names of the trees on which these fruits grow. Number 1. Its fruit is red or purple. It is fleshy and has a single seed. Its dry fruit is called prune. Prune. So it is plum. Number 2, it has a rough skin. The color ranges from pink to reddish brown. The pulp is white and edible. It has one shiny, dark brown seed. Its fruit is green, crunchy and bell-shaped. It has a mild apple flavor. Pear. Number 3, its fruit is yellow and juicy with many black seeds. It can be cooked or eaten raw. Christopher Columbus called it the fruit of the angels. Papaya. 4. Its fruit is also called sapodilla or sapota. It has a brown outer skin, a sweet pulp and black seeds. Its seeds are inedible. It has a rough skin. The color ranges from pink to reddish brown. The pulp is white and edible. It has one shiny dark brown seed. Lychee. Number 6. Its fruit is also called bull's heart. It's oval in shape with a green skin. It has a thick white layer of flesh beneath the skin. The pulp coats the black seeds which are inedible. ये है custard apple. Number 7. It is also known as star fruit. Its skin is waxy and greenish yellow in color. It has light brown seeds. The entire fruit is edible, including the skin and the seeds. ये है carambola. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 7. The color changers. The color changers. To adjust to different seasons, some animals change color. Look at the pictures of these animals in their summer and winter coats. Identify them. Tick right the correct option. Summer coat, winter coat. Snowshoe hare. ये है Pierre Caribou. Arctic fox, dingo, wombat. ये है Arctic fox. Lynx, bobcat, snow leopard. Snow leopard. And the last one is ptarmigan. Hey students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 8. The traveler's bird. Many migratory birds come to Bharat from Europe, Africa and different parts of Asia. Read the clue on some such birds. Write their names. Number 1. It is a colorful bird. It feeds on insects. such as hornets, dragonflies, wasps, and bees. It migrates from Africa and parts of Europe to peninsular Bharat. ये है blue tail bee eater. Number 2, it has extremely long red legs. The legs give it a feeding advantage to wade it deep. Waters for food, it feeds on insects, small fish, worms, and tadpoles. Black wing stint. Number 3, it is the most common migratory duck. It feeds on aquatic plants and seeds. It migrates from Europe and parts of Asia and is sighted at many parts in Bharat. ये है common team. It is a small bird, is an excellent mimic of calls of other birds. It migrates from Europe or Alaska to Rajasthan and western parts of Gujarat. Glue throat. Number 5. It is a large bird often seen standing on one leg near lakes and swamps. It gets its color from the crustaceans it eats. The wren of Kutch is its largest nesting site. Greater flamingo. And last one, number 6. It is a huge bird with large wings. This bird fish together. They form a horseshoe shape and herd the fish into shallow water. These birds migrate from Europe to northern Bharat. ये है rosy pelican. Dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 9. For each of the following animals, choose the correct letter denoting the country to which they belong. Okay, tapir, Brazil. Okay, number 2, beaver. Option G, Canada. 3, Madagascar. F, Kiwi, New Zealand. D, golden eagle, Mexico. Option J, giant panda, China. Option H, springbok. Option B, South Africa. Komodo dragon, Indonesia. Option E, Bharat. Option C, koala bear है Australia. Option A, and Royal Bengal tiger. Option C, Bharat. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 10. Fill in the missing letters and complete the names of these animals using the clues. This animal is called the toady cat. Palm civet. Depending on the wind and the take or height, this animal can glide for 50 meters or more. Flying squirrel. Squirrel. This is a primate found only in Madagascar and some tiny neighboring island. ये है lemur. This marsupial carries her baby in her pouch for about 6 months. The green or common dash is one of the largest lizards in the America. ये है iguana. The dash mold their coat twice a year, once after winter and then in the late summer before the weather gets cold again. ये है red squirrel. Squirrel. Number 7. The dash is the world's slowest mammal. Sloth. Dash, a tree-dwelling lizard, has the ability to change its color and to move each eye independently. Chameleon. So, my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now, let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 11. Insect world. Did you know that many species in the world belong to the world of insect? We can look at them and see the beauty of creation even in the smallest of things. Let us try to unfold this insect world. Take the right correct answer. Number 1. Which insect lays its egg in water? Mosquito. What kind of disease is caused by the bite of the tsetse fly? Sleeping sickness. Which is the painted lady in the world of insect? Butterfly. Which household insect can live without its head for more than a week? Cockroach. Which insect can lift objects that are about 10 times heavier than itself? Ant. Which insect produces a green fish light? Glowworm. What is a king honeybee called? Swarm. And the last one, which group of insects build to a towers as high as 30 feet large, enough to house 1 million of them? ये है termites. So dear students, all chapters of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. We will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.